gentlemen, welcome back to Souter Motors. J-Lap with you, and today I've got a treat for you. This is a 2021 Dynamax Isata3, model number 24RW. This is on a Sprinter chassis. It's got less than 9,000 miles. It's got beautiful body paint. We've got solar, we've got 2 slide outs, we've got power awning, we got a generator, auto levelers, all kinds of stuff. This thing is immaculate. We are going to show you the outside, then we're going to show you the inside, and then we're going to be done. Let's get to it. All right, we've got everything opened up here on our Isata. What we want to look at when we're going around here, we've got a full body paint. Also, you've got extra protection up front. You've got the full molded front, which keeps the water out. High quality material, high quality build. You've got it on the Sprinter chassis, like I said, less than 10,000 miles on this guy. This is our main slide, our living area slide. It has got the solid floor. Again, high quality materials, high quality build, solid floor. You've got your propane tank up front. You've got your drains right here. Black tank flush out, electric hookup. This is a 30 amp service. Cable is in there. Cable and satellite hookup here. You've got the flush mounted windows, awning topper, keeping the water going the right way. This is your big garage trunk area. Pass through the whole way across there. And then you've got water hookups here, so all of your different configurations for filling tank, all of that is right here, as well as an outdoor shower. So that's all set up here. Also, you've got these nice hardware as far as closing, nice and secure. You don't have the knobs turning that break and do all that. Rear slide out. You'll be able to see it inside. This is your bed, which is a fantastic way to keep you short, but then it also gives you a lot of space. Your bedroom, you're gonna have a lot of space in there. We'll show you that, obviously. Awning topper, but it's a good way to keep a short platform. This is only 25 feet long, and it's on a 3500 chassis. You do see you have the tow package. You can tow up to 5,000 pounds with this guy. Other side of the pass-through, right here. We do have a propane generator, 3,600 watt LP. You've got a mount here for your outdoor entertainment, cable hookups and everything right here. Power awning, really slick setup here. We don't have the arms coming down. They are the scissors arms with the bar across the top. Also gives you a little bit of added angle. So really great outdoor space. LED light strip on the very end there. Another beautiful thing here is we've got a on-demand hot water heater, which I'm not going to take that off, but it's there. Fantastic. And then a nice, very large, fully molded plastic storage bin. So that is our exterior. Let's head inside. Hello folks, welcome to the interior. As you can see, I'm on this beautiful upgrade. Option that is typically standard here would be your dinette, but we have got some beautiful stadium seat recliners with the tables. Of course, all of this can be taken off very easily, but that is a great upgrade. Stadium seating, comfortable leather. These are heated and massage. Can't go wrong with that. So, welcome to the inside. This is our main living space, kitchen space. We have got the slide out right now. tons of room in here. Another upgrade, we've got a bunk above. You've got the safety railing, you've got the ladder. We're gonna move that out of the way now so that we can see a little better. But we are set up. We're going to spend some time in the cockpit later. We'll show you that on a separate little clip. But you do have swiveling front seats along with your bolsters to make them nice and comfortable, and the center table there. We've got our main control system here. I'm in home. Generator is running right now. I can show you real quick here what we've got. You got your slide out control right here. That does your slide outs, your awnings. You've got your temperature control there, your light control, like everything is right here. And then I guess we'll spend some time right here real quick, because this is, so we can extend our counter space here, always nice to have. But down here, we've got awning control, master light on and off switch, battery disconnect, all that stuff is here. This is your solar inverter information, and then we also have auto leveling system on this. Great to have, especially on a Class C, doesn't always happen. But then, like I said, extended countertop space, solid countertops. Got your sink, nice deep sink, retractable faucet. Entertainment is up here. Got your DVD, Bluetooth, radio, all that. TV. We've got a ducted AC with a heat pump. Nice to have. Power vent. Blackout shades all around. Got a 3-burner stove. Stove top, no oven, which gives us extra storage. Good to have overhead storage. And we do have a convection microwave oven right here. So this is your kitchen prep space, dining space. Like I said, instead of having the dinette, you've got your swivel tables here, and then very comfortable seating. We have got fridge freezer combo. Freezer, fridge. It is a Dometic, and it is LP, so you can do propane or electric right there. We've got a kind of split up bathroom, which in this case makes a lot of sense because it gives us a huge shower and toilet space, which you don't always get. And then you got your power vent on top. So that is very convenient to have. And then what they did with the sink, they threw it right back here. So now you can brush your teeth out here while somebody's using the bathroom or taking a shower. Got a medicine cabinet. Say hi to Darren, everybody. He's real boss man. Shooting the video. Cedar. Ooh, auto lights. Isn't that fancy? Man, Dynamax, they just did it right. And then in the back here, we have got a queen size bed. So all we do is bring her out like this. Comfy bed. You've got blackout shades, but with the windows. So cozy back here. Gives you lots of space. Like I said, we can walk around this bed. You've got your TV, entertainment here. You've got lights here, and then generator. You can also start back here, and then your slide out control right there. And again, everything is also controlled up on the digital screen up there. So, I mean, yeah, Dynamax, they did it right. You even got more storage up above here. And this is all ducted as far as the climate control goes. So that is it as far as belt loops getting stuck in the doors. That's it as far as the layout goes. We're going to spend some time up here with our cockpit and some great controls that they have up there. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here in the cockpit. We've got auto lights, we've got auxiliary start in case your battery's a little bit dead. You can hold that in. Both sides are heated, memory, power, front seats. Power mirrors, power windows. Passenger side also. Would you look at that? That is fancy. Up above we've got our lights. got additional storage above there, and up here we've got a little bit safe storage. Can be locked with the key. That's nice. Cameras. Let's see here. Menu, channel. Got 4 cameras. You got the blind spot cameras, and then you've got backup and straight down, so you can see all of that. And you can see all 4 at once. Isn't that fancy? Now, 9,667 miles. We've got nice control center here on our steering wheel. This is adaptive cruise control. You can set your cruise, you can set the distance, all of that. Now, this little thumb pad, you can actually change what you're seeing on your screen there. Isn't that fun? There you go. Then this side controls our big screen. So you can flip through. You have all of these different things on here. Your climate control is down here. This particular motorhome comes with 3 sets of keys, plus your bin keys. Different modes, fan speed, temperature, all of that right there. Volume, we can connect a phone multiple ways. You've got your USB down here, or you've got Bluetooth. I just want to show you a little bit of what's going on here. This does have some nice safety features as far as traffic. This will actually tell you what traffic signs are coming up. It'll keep you in lane. It will do active braking, and you can set, you want that early, late, medium, whatever. So we do have nice radar system on this guy. System, all the display controls, all of the audio stuff, everything in there. Lights, you can do exterior lighting, all that jazz is right there. That's about that. Sorry for the glare, I thought the shade might help with that. Different apps, you do have Wi-Fi stuff. So this is a hotspot, or you can connect to Wi-Fi. Again, media. We've got full navigation. You can set favorites, you can set home, destinations, all of that jazz. And then obviously there's the phone that you can connect. So tons of options. Ooh, shifters, sport mode. Anyway, so that's about it for the interior, for the cockpit, for all of that. Any questions, give us a call. Thank you guys for watching. Have a fantastic day.